Hello there. My name is William Bayless. I'm a self-taught programmer from Toronto, Canada, and this is my final project for Harvard's CS50X. It's a simple event manager where you can create events, add them to a calendar, and then save those events so you can add them to future days in the calendar if they're going to happen again. So this is our main view. We've got a calendar view and an action button there in the lower left, so let's click that there. And this will bring up a new event screen where we can create a new event. So let's do that right now. Let's set our title to test and our location to test. Let's set the date to today. I'm going to set the start time to 5:30. And I'm going to set the end time to 5:35. You can select an alert type for the event, and you'll get a notification at the desired interval before the event starts. So I'm just going to pick 30 minutes before the event. So I get it right away because 30 minutes before is before the current time. You can choose to save a template. I'm going to do that here. If you save the event as a template, the application will mark it in the database as a template so that you can add it to a future day in the calendar very easily. So let's add it to the calendar here. If you click on today, there it is. If you click on a specific day in the calendar, it'll launch a screen where you can view all of the events that are occurring on that day. And you can see our notification just popped up there on the top. This screen has a button as well where you can add an event to a specific day, and you can see that the only real difference there is that I can't modify the date at all. Let's look at tomorrow. You can see that I've got a couple of events already added there. Let's say that my long closing shift there, the event in blue, has been shortened. So I've got a short closing shift here saved in my templates. If you do click on the Load from Templates button on the screen, it'll launch the list of events that you have saved as a template. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to add it to the calendar there. And then to delete the long closing shift there in blue, all I have to do is swipe it and it's gone. You can delete an event and it'll still be usable as a template. And you can delete a template from the templates view as well, and it'll still be on your calendar. If you delete both, it's gone. But that way you don't accidentally delete something you wanted to save. If you want to just quickly populate your calendar with events that you've saved, it's very easy, just a couple of button clicks here and there. So if you have irregular shifts where you have different start times, or maybe you have different alert types based on what the event is or when it occurs in the day, you can very quickly add that stuff to the calendar instead of having to manually enter the information every time you create the event. So it makes planning your week a lot easier. Thanks for your time.